Do you want to go all the way?
In your fantasy football league this year?
There's a fundamental problem in fantasy football today. Most people just rank players, say from 0 to 300, maybe add in a few mock drafts, with the objective of getting the best players on their team to eventually win and win the Super Bowl. But I can't stress this enough. Rankings are absolutely meaningless. They have no correlation with winning in the grand scheme of things. It doesn't tell the whole story. There's three critical elements to be able to make sure your team is going to be successful and ultimately go to the Super Bowl. One is having accurate statistical projections. Two is a measurement of the relative advantage. And third is knowing when they're going to go in the draft with statistical precision. For those people that are into math, the algorithm is delta squared sub x.
Boring. We had a smart guy work out all the geeky stuff. Bottom line, it just works.
The algorithm will tell you not only who to draft, but much more importantly, when and in what order to draft those players, ultimately leaving you with a team that gives you a flat-out unfair advantage over your competition.
Bank on the SBG girls.